Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on reporting for correlation analysis. So building on our previous videos, we should have our analysis looking just like this along with our plots. Now we are ready to start reporting our results. First thing we are going to do is we are going to click on this drop down option and select add note. To save time, I have pre-written these reports. However, you will need to fill them in yourselves. So the results show a statistically significant positive correlation between the revision times and exam scores with an R value of 0.397 and a P value of less than 0.001. This means that the higher the revision times, the higher the exam scores, which is shown in this graph. Positive correlation is seen with a statistically significant result. In the second group, the results show a statistically significant negative correlation between revision times and anxiety levels with a Pearson's R value of minus 0.709 and a P value of less than 0.001. This is also seen in this graph with negative correlation, a huge negative correlation actually with minus 0.7. So the third correlation shows a statistically significant negative correlation between exam scores and anxiety levels with an R value of negative 0.441 and a P value of less than 0.001. This means that the lower the anxiety levels, the higher the exam scores. This can also be seen in this graph right here. However, the R value is not as negative as the second correlation, so this graph is not as steep. However, it is still negatively correlated, so that's fine. And it is statistically significant, highly significant with P value of less than 0.001. So this concludes our reporting for Pearson's correlations, and we can just describe this illustration as like so. The scatter plots illustrate the results and provide more information, and the heat map right here illustrates the R values in a more intuitive manner, as you can see. So that's it for this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.